Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through changing your phone number associated with your Gmail account. Open your Gmail account on a browser and click on your profile icon or your profile picture at the top right corner. Click on Manage your Google account. Click on Security. Scroll down to Recovery Phone Number and click on it. You may need to verify it's you by entering your Gmail password. So, enter your Gmail ID password. Click on the edit icon in front of phone number. Add a new one and choose text message. Click on Get Code. If you encounter an error, it might be because you've reached the limit of Gmail IDs linked to your phone number. Gmail allows 10 IDs per number, so try a different number. Click on Get Code. Enter the verification code and click Verify. To change your two-step verification phone number, go back to Security. Click on Two-Step Verification and click on Add a Two-Step Verification. And add a new phone number. Verify the new number and delete the old one. You can delete your old phone number by clicking the delete icon next to it. Then click on Remove. That's it. Your phone number and two-step verification number should be updated. If you like the video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.